Hello everybody, welcome back at culture-lovers.eu. We'll be starting this week the Instant Pot Cooking in a Camper series. To do this properly, I will introduce Chef Pellegrino to you. He is going to help us on this topic. Mr. Pellegrino is named after the well-known Italian chef Pellegrino Artusi. Chef Artusi wrote the famous book Science in the Kitchen and the Art of Eating Well at the end of the 19th century. If you have a chance, you certainly should read it. We at Culture Lovers have asked Mr. Pellegrino to support us to prepare simple yet delicious meals in the restricted space of a camper. So, let us to what he has to say. Mr. Pellegrino, you have the floor.
Thank you, Don Quixote. You've raised the bar quite a bit for me by mentioning the great chef Artusi. I hope I can live up to it. As requested by the Culture Lovers team, I have looked into ways to cook super simple gluten-free meals for 2 people in a camper. To what I have learned with regard to cooking in a camper, it comes down to having to cook in a super small kitchen with limited ingredients. Additionally, I learn over and over that you want to keep this tiny kitchen clean and tidy. These insights made me decide to go for a setting based on a mini instant pot, the concept of dump-and-go meals, and a mini rice cooker. Instant pots are computer-controlled pressure cookers that are ideal for dump-and-go cooking. Dump-and-go cooking is the kind of cooking where you put all your ingredients into a pot and let the pot do the rest. Adding a rice cooker to the mix makes that cooking in a camper has become even easier. With these tools, there are many ways to prepare delicious soups, stews, pastas, and rice dishes. And, since all the cooking takes place under the lid, it will keep the kitchen clean. With the Culture Lovers team, I agreed that I will start by developing 15 super simple recipes for the Instant Pot and the rice cooker, that is. 1. An Indonesian rendang with rice and salad. 2. An Indonesian ajam pedis with rice and salad. 3. An Indonesian ikan pepesan with carrots and rice. 4. A mushroom risotto. 5. A paella. 6. A pot roast with beef, potatoes and carrots. 7. A pasta bolognese. 8. A pasta alfredo. 9. A pasta with shrimps. 10. Chili con carne. 11. A broccoli, chicken, potato dish. 12. A Moroccan chickpea soup. 13. An Indonesian soto ayam with rice. 14. A bouillabaisse. And 15. A red lentil curry. The idea is that I will develop the recipes and the Culture Lovers team will test them and share the process on their Culture Lovers channel. We'll take it from there. So, what do you think? Okay, this was it for today. I hope soon to return to the channel to support Bar and Jan and Therese to prepare their first meal. See you.
Okay, thank you, Pellegrino. I am pretty sure that Therese and Baron Jan will appreciate this. I hear that they have ordered their mini Instant Pot already. So, if you like what we are doing, please give us a thumb up and subscribe to the channel. We'll continue making more episodes on how we prepare for submerging ourselves into the European cultures. See you.